The My HomeTeam dashboard makes it easier than ever to create a seller repair request list. To get started creating a repair request list, log into your My HomeTeam dashboard. Click on My Inspections. Select the inspection and click the View Repair Request List button, located directly underneath the View Report button. The dashboard automatically pulls in all items listed in the inspection report summary. To review an item, click on the category and a drop-down will appear with a list of items, any photos of each item, options that include repair, replace, fund, or other, and a comments section that includes the summary comments for that item. With the My HomeTeam dashboard, you have full control of the items you want included in the repair request list. You have the option to review each item in the report summary and decide whether you would like to have those items sent to the seller's agent. If there is a summary item that you want to omit from the repair request list, simply click the Delete button, and the item will be removed from the repair request list, but will remain in the inspection report. You also have the option to request the item be repaired, replaced, funded, which includes a specific dollar amount, or choose Other and customize your specific request to the seller. In this example, some of the gutters are emptying too close to the foundation, so you can choose Repair and type in to extend the gutters 6 feet away from the foundation, and then click Save. This text doesn't modify the original report, but allows you to specify repair instructions to the seller. If you want to add additional photos from your camera or smartphone, you can click the Add Photo button. Another example is a drip leg that was not installed on the water heater, which is a safety issue. A drip leg should be added so you can simply choose Repair for that item. Another example is a main panel with water penetrating and causing corrosion. You can request funds from the seller for this item by choosing Fund for that item and typing in an amount. The last example is an electrical outlet that is missing a cover plate, so you can choose Repair. You can also add items that were not included in the inspection report summary by clicking on the New Item button. Once you have completed the repair request list, click the Download button and it will generate a custom PDF on the device that you are using. The PDF can then be forwarded to the seller's agent to proceed with negotiations. The final repair request list will display the property information and each item you added to the repair request list.